Hello. As I said, I'm going to show you some previous projects that I've done that I hadn't recorded. This typewriter is one of Laura Denison's tutorials following the paper trail. Well worth a look if you've not had a look at her work. Absolutely fantastic. I used graphic45 typography paper and it fit in beautiful with this. So I'm just going to show you around it. As you can see, I make it a rule that I use what I have got if I possibly can, and that I don't go and buy extra bits and pieces. Of course, sometimes you have to, but these little, that actually is a, oh, what are they called? The bottle top. That's a flattened bottle top, the outside, and then that's just a decoration on the inside. But I thought it represented the turning quite well. And then at the front here, you've got these two little wheels, which are supposed to be the ribbon spool, which I think is great. And this looks like the inside of the typewriter. But this, and then inside, oops, inside here, I typed out a little bit of a story that looked like it was being typed. I made up stories for my grandchildren when they were small, so I started off as if it was a story for them, just to tie in with the theme of the things that I make that hopefully will be passed on. So this is the best part about this. This is the album. See, it just slots inside there. And I'll put it this way so that you can see. Typography, as you can see, the paper. These were just some alphabetic gems that I'd got. Well, not gems, but they were, you know, in a pack, and they just fit perfect for the keys. So inside you've got a pocket that you can put your photos in. You could put 2 or 3 of these in because it's quite a good pocket. So each page is like that, and each page has them in. I think I've got 2 or 3 in there, yeah, so that you can see. And then I haven't put any in there for some reason, but the little steps going down has got this like typewriter paper. But I absolutely loved making this. It's several years ago now that I made it. Can't really remember when, but as I'm trying to update all the videos and put in everything that I've got, this is the first of the ones that I hadn't put on. I live in tropical weather, and I have to go over my projects each year and check if anything needs re-gluing, etc. Because sadly, it does come unstuck. I use glue, wet glue and tape on my projects, but still some flaps will lift up, etc. And all I do is I just re-glue them firmly and away to go. So I hope you've enjoyed having a little look at this one. As I say, it's from many years ago, but you can, if you like it and you want to make it, pop on over to Laura's website, Follow the Paper Trail, and you will see such beautiful things that she's got that you can buy the tutorials for and follow along on video with her. Thanks for looking. Bye.